5-minute mindfulness exercises to calm your mind. Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? You don't need hours to find calm. Today we're exploring mindfulness practices you can do in just 5 minutes to center your mind, reduce stress, and improve focus. Let's dive in. Deep breathing. Start with deep breathing. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a slow inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4, then exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. Benefits: reduces heart rate, relaxes muscles, and signals your body it's safe to calm down. Body scan. Next, try a body scan. Focus on your toes and slowly move your attention upward through each part of your body: feet, legs, abdomen, shoulders, neck, and head. Notice tension without judgment and breathe into it. Benefits: increases body awareness, reduces physical stress, and releases stored tension. Mindful observation. Pick one object nearby: a candle, plant, or even a cup of coffee. Focus on every detail: color, texture, shape, and even smell. Let your mind stay fully present with that object. Benefits: anchors your mind in the present moment and reduces racing thoughts. Guided visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful place: a beach, forest, or quiet room. Picture every detail: sounds, smells, and sensations. Spend 1 to 2 minutes fully immersed in this calming scene. Benefits: reduces anxiety, boosts mood, and strengthens mental resilience. Gratitude pause. End with a gratitude pause. Think of 2 to 3 things you're thankful for, big or small. Silently acknowledge them and feel the positive emotions expand. Benefits: shifts focus from stress to positivity and improves emotional well-being. In just 5 minutes, these mindfulness practices can calm your mind, improve focus, and restore balance. Try doing them daily and notice the difference. Follow Balance Beam for more mental health tips, mindfulness exercises, and strategies to live a calmer, happier life.